Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we do some practice examples on time and work wages examples. In our previous classes, we have done some examples. There is nothing new concept here. So with these examples, you are going to understand different ways they are going to ask you the questions on time and work. That is what you are going to understand with these examples. Please watch our previous classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, a sum of money is sufficient to pay A's wages for 21 days. There is some amount of money and that money is sufficient to pay for A's wages for 21 days. And the same amount of money can be sufficient to B's wages for 28 days. So the same money is sufficient to pay the wages of both for dash days. How many days? This is exactly similar to work distribution. What we have done in our previous examples. A can finish a work in 21 days. Then A's 1 day's work is 1 by 21. Similarly, X amount can be given to A for 21 days. Then A's 1 day wage is X by 21. So we apply the same concept here. A's 1 day's wage is X by 21. Similarly, B's 1 day's wage is X by 28 because it was given that B's wages for 28 days. The same amount, X amount can be given to B for 28 days. B's 1 day's wage is X by 28. So the same thing we have done in our previous example. A plus B's 1 day's work can be given by 1 by 21 plus 1 by 28. Similarly, A plus B's 1 day's wage is given as X by 21 plus X by 28, which is the output is X by 12. So for both of them, what's the wages we are going to give? X by 12, so that we can provide it for 12 days. Both of them combined together, they are going to work for 1 by 12th of the work. So how long it is going to take to finish the work? 12 days. Similarly, X amount is distributed, X by 12th of the work, X by 12th of the wage is given to A plus B. So how many days we are going to give X amount? 12 days to A plus B. So which is very similar concept which we have done in our previous examples. So next one is A can do a piece of work in 10 days. The same work can be finished by B in 15 days. They work for 5 days. A and B, they worked for 5 days. The rest of the work finished by C in 2 days. If they get rupees 1500 for the whole work, the daily wages of B and C is, whenever the wages concept has been introduced in the question, you have to identify what's the total amount of work done by A, what's the total amount of work done by B. According to that, you have to distribute your total amount. So what is the total amount of work done by A? It's very simple. In our last classes, we have done so many examples. A can do a piece of work in 10 days. A's 1 day's work is 1 by 10. Like that, how many days A worked for? 5 days A worked for. So 1 by 10 multiplied by 5 is the total amount of work done by A. Similarly, B. Remaining work is C. According to that, we have to distribute the 1500 amount shared based on work done. A's 1 day's work is 1 by 10. B's 1 day's work is 1 by 15. A's total work is 1 by 10. He can finish it in 1 day multiplied by 5 days. That is equal to 1 by 2. So half of the work is done by A. B's total work is 1 by 15 multiplied by 5. That is 1 by 3rd of the work is done by B. Work done by C. What's the remaining work? What's the remaining amount of work? 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 means 1 by 6th of the work should be done by C. So A's share, B's share, C's share can be given as 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 6. According to the work done, this is the total amount of work done by A. Total amount of work done by B, by C. Then 3 is to 2 is to 1. So 1500, 3 parts can be divided to A, 2 parts is divided to B, one part is divided to C. Total 6 parts. 1500 if you made it as 6 parts, For understanding purpose, for deeper understanding of the concept, we are explaining like this, 3 parts, total 6 parts. If you separate it to 1500 into 6 parts, 3 parts comes to A, 2 parts comes to B, and 1 part come to C. That is what ratio means. A share amount is equal to 3 by 6 multiplied by 1500, that is 750. This is the total amount given to A. But the question they are asking, what is the daily wage? So 750 divided by how many days we have given? 5. That is what the daily wage. B share is equal to 2 by 6 multiplied by 1500, that is 500. C share is equal to 1 by 6 multiplied by 1500, 250. B's daily wage is 500 by 5, that is 100. C's daily wage is 250 by 2, which is 125. So this is how the wages examples will be. Hope you understand these examples. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.